Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Voilamart E-Bike Conversion Kit. Its products offer outstanding performance and reliability, and the Voilamart Conversion Kit is no exception. This bike has 48 volts 1000 watts powerful brushless gearless motor with 45 km/h speed, restricted to 750 watts and 38 km/h speed by default as a road legal pedal bike conversion kit. Enjoy cycling while driving electric bike with 330 to 440 pounds or 150 to 200 kg max load capacity. Brake levers cut off the power supply to the motor safely. Twist throttle has battery level display. Brake levers cut off the power supply to the motor safely. Twist throttle has battery level display. Comes with all the components you need to a full conversion, including front wheel, motor controller, controller bag, pedal assist crank sensor, cable ties, and plastic coil. Twist throttle, 1 pair of brake handles, manual. Our second best e-bike conversion kit is EBIKELING Waterproof E-Bike Conversion Kit. The waterproof e-bike conversion kits are more reliable than regular e-bike conversion kits in difficult weather conditions. They are designed to take a ride in the rain or snow. Affordable and powerful kit options, the comfort of the smooth installation process are only a few good things to start explaining what we're offering here at EBIKELING. The aluminum double-walled rim and hub motor are already attached in the box. Kits are ready to install right out of the box. All you need to do is replace them with the original tire. The wheel axle diameter is 10 mm. Steel forks can be filed if the axle does not fit into the dropout because of its slightly larger diameter. Please do not file more than necessary and make sure that it does not damage the forks. Aluminum forks can also be filed with extra caution. Secure and reliable method to access your phone and a storage for your accessories. Durable, compact, and waterproof bag strapped under the seat to carry essential items at all times. Double-sided large capacity storage for your oversized items with reflective corners for your safety. Extremely bright and fully waterproof 400 lumens LED headlight will enlighten your night riding experience. Third in our list is Bafang Electric Bike Conversion Kit. This Bafang front drive motor, which is compatible with the disc brake, has a rated power of 500 watts, providing ideal power for vehicles. Strong and efficient, this motor greatly enhances riding comfort and is suitable for touring bikes, commuter bikes and mountain bikes. Easily convert your pedal bike into a motorized bike within 1 hour. We will offer an installation video and manual, 2 riding model for you to choose. You can choose the e-bike to enjoy a long time travel, and also exercise. Comes with all necessary accessories. Front wheel and motor, controller, brake lever or hydraulic brake sensor, thumb throttle, controller case, Bafang LCD display, battery and charger, extension cable, PA, 1T4 cable, LED light. 3 type PA sensor default left PA, right small hole PA, right big hole PA, which can easily match your bike. Comes with all necessary accessories. Front wheel and motor, controller, brake lever or hydraulic brake sensor, thumb throttle, controller case, Bafang LCD display. Number 4 in our best e-bike conversion kit list is Voilamart E-Bike Conversion Kit. This bike has 48 volts 1000 watts powerful brushless gearless motor with 28 miles per hour that is 45 km/h speed, restricted to 750 watts and 24 miles per hour 38 km/h speed by default as a road legal pedal bike conversion kit. Dual mode controller, motor works under Hall effect and non-Hall effect, extend life for electric bike. LCD display shows battery level and pedal assistance settings. Brake levers cut off the power supply to the motor safely. Twist throttle has battery level display. Comes with all the components you need to a full conversion, including rear wheel, motor controller, controller bag, pedal assist crank sensor, cable ties, and plastic coil, twist throttle, 1 pair of brake handles, manual, LCD meter. Allow you to swap 2 power modes between the full 1000 watts power or 750 watts power by a single blue switch wire is embedded in controller. Nylon tire and alloy rim and stainless steel spoke. Rare earth metal magnet are used in the motor to efficiently produce large power. Aluminum alloy powerful controller guarantee big current supply. Adjustable 5-level intelligent pedal assist with twist throttle. LCD display shows battery level and pedal assistance settings. Brake levers cut off the power supply to the motor safely. Crank speed sensor for pedal assist. Our last pick is E-Bike Conversion Kit. This bike has aluminum alloy frame for durability and stability, can support a heavy weight up to 220 pounds, drive system without moving chains or gears for anti-friction, thumb throttle with 3 indicators for displaying battery status, perfect to avoid stopping working caused by low battery suddenly, you can charge the battery in time. Electric bicycle rear wheel conversion kit features 48 volts 1000 watts brushless and gearless hub motor for efficient and noiseless running. Can easily convert your bicycle to electric bike and reach the maximum riding speed of 45 km/h, suitable for regular bicycles and mountain bikes that are used on commuting and short journey. Fit for any 26-inch bicycle frame with 5 and 15/16 inches rear dropout spacing. Compatible for universal disc brake and V-brake, you can choose the brake you need to use with the wheel, perfect for bicycle assembly and modification. Electric bike conversion kit includes necessary components for installation, easy to assemble all the parts together for converting ordinary bicycles to electric bikes. You can install the bike by yourself or find a bicycle store for assistance.